Hey y'all, here's a quick update on the 4 plants I got from Tractor Supply 2 months ago. This is the cayenne, cherry tomato, jalapeno, and poblano. They're all doing very well, and 3 of the 4 have started producing. Sorry I haven't been very active lately. I appreciate all of y'all's support. We took time away from social media to spend time with family and travel a bit. I'll insert a picture at the end of this video of the plants when I first got them and a few pictures of them now. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all are having a great day and y'all be blessed.